Hello everybody, I am Namicon back with another video. Today we are doing a Hex Bug Nano Space Cosmic Command Center unboxing and review video. I'm gonna be helping my brother today. And also, I got this new hat. Tell me in the comment section down below if you think I should be wearing it more often, so that way, yeah, might do this, but nothing that special really. Ugh. Oh God. Brain's downstairs right now, grabbing us our scissors. You know what, I swear, dude, if that kid ain't gonna get up here in 10 seconds, kill him. It's about time.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up, guys? I got this.
Give me the scissors!
I know. We got the scissors for the. This is Hex Bug Nano Space.
Haircut time.
Whoa, it's not haircut. Haircut time, man. It's not haircut time.
I'd literally be brutally murdering this.
Dude, it's not haircut time. Dude! What are you doing? Are you insane?
Sort of.
Dude, you're literally trying to break this?
Trust me, I'm not gonna break it.
Yes, you are. This thing is probably plastic.
I'll stab you.
Dude, literally, that is metal.
Yeah, nice. Anyway.
Dude, this video will be rated R if you just stand me in the middle of, well, in this video, this is really,
open!
It's really rated R. Okay, give me it.
Stop it.
Give me it!
Back up.
Well, you do not tell me what to do. Okay, give me it. Ah, God, Jesus.
Stop it!
Dude, let me grab the spaceship.
Brayden.
Let me grab the spaceship.
Go. Stop it. I'll get it out. I'll get it out. Stop. Stop. You're gonna step on my camera.
Dude, I
sit down and I'll give you
I can get it.
I'll get you it if you sit down.
It's mine.
Sit down. I can sit down.
I can get it. Oh my God.
Sit down.
Hey, Lego face. Look at the camera. Da 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 da. Lego face.
We will be back
No.
in a second.
Spaceship. Yeah, dude, there is a lot of stuff.
Useless parts, crap that we don't need.
Yeah, stuff we do need actually. Spaceship is still in there. Yeah, I'm just gonna open this bag.
It's literally the Kerbet space program all over again.
It isn't. Dude! What the heck is wrong with you?
Go.
This isn't gonna be messy. This isn't not gonna be. Dude! Dude, what is wrong? Dude, stop. That isn't me!
Shut up.
What? It isn't. What are you trying to do?
Hey, is it recording?
No.
Then start the recording.
No, it actually is recording.
Okay, good. I'm gonna cut somebody. I swear, man, I can't see crap.
I'm gonna cut some of this.
Okay, I will be back whenever this is all done.
Just in a cup of stuff. Not a problem. You guys don't. That's not me.
You're helping me.
Okay. That's you.
Okay.
It's Bobby, Mom.
What?
Seriously, it's you. You're doing it. Dude, you're the one who's doing it.
So?
Do.
Stop it.
Look.
It's taking too long, man, I swear. Yeah, well, I'm gonna get one of those hit sticks. Ow, my God! gosh, I'm gonna cut myself.
Dude, let me see it.
I'm about to get it open. Okay.
Dude, just rip it. Just rip it.
Sit.
Just rip it already. Ugh. Yeah, this is why I can't.
Oh my god. Dude.
Don't say ho. Stop. I'm just ripping it.
We don't want to mess.
Okay, I wanted to do that while he was recording.
This is taking too long.
Let me see it.
Okay, after about 9 months of trying to get this thing open, I got it out, but now I need to get this.
Let me see it.
Wait.
I can do this.
Brayden, don't be a bad boy.
I'm not being a bad boy.
I'll be in more of my YouTube videos.
Dude, seriously, give me it. I know how to do this. I know how to do
Ah,
this.
God.
I told you. It's plastic. That is plastic, dude.
Plastic that's gonna try to kill me.
Obviously.
Well, I got it open.
Yeah, obviously, no.
Come on, now I need to figure out how to get this out.
But don't break it. You're gonna break it. You're just annoying.
Yeah, because I'm chicken pox. I finally got it out.
It's chicken
That
pox.
was way too hard.
Yeah, you are a chicken pox. You are a chicken pox.
Like, what even is this for? I'm not joking.
Dude.
This is stupid.
Nano space. Stupid.
Oh my god, there's a rubber.
Oh my god.
You
That?
open this up.
Let me see it. Let me see it. You're gonna break it. Seriously, let me see it. Dude! Seriously.
Finally got the cockpit open. It took me like 10 hours to do that.
Give me it.
And now, well,
Give me
the
it.
hex bug doesn't want to come out. I hate my life.
Oh,
Why did I agree to help him? I'm not joking.
oh wow, I finally got it out.
What do you know? Hey,
No,
hey,
you
Brayden,
don't.
can I have that one? You have the white one.
Okay, it works. It worked.
Can I have that one?
No.
You have the white one.
This is gray.
Can I have that one?
No.
Oh, come on, man. You know
First, let me
what?
see what the other one looks like.
This is fine.
First, let me see what the other one
I
looks like.
hate my life.
Let me see. Let me see it. Stop. Give me it.
Stop.
Just give me
I'm
it.
trying to. You do know that camera's recording, right?
Just give me it.
Your channel could get messed up easily just by being in this video. Okay. This is.
Dude, you're gonna take my subscriber.
Ooh.
Let me see.
It's vibrating and it's moving. Good God.
I'm gonna take the white one. Wait. First.
They're both the same size, stupid.
I know, but they're not the same. They don't have the same look.
Whatever. Just give me it.
Hey!
I'm trying to.
I actually want the gray one.
No, I want the gray one.
No, I want it. I want it.
No, I want it.
No, it's mine. I want
Stop
it.
running!
What the heck?
These
bro?
are literally the instructions. Like,
Oh, you gotta be hex bugging me.
hard, very funny. That
Dude.
sucked. This is horrible, dude. You can't do crap with this.
Hey, it's instructions.
Hey, Brandon.
Don't make-
Hey, Brandon. You could build this, not me.
Well,
This is literally the Kerbet space program in a nutshell.
shut up.
Did you unpause it? Tell me whenever you unpaused it.
I did. What are you doing? Well, P's dead. Lego Man is dead. He's not really dead. He's not really dead. I can hear his heart breathing, guys. Seriously. Dude, you okay? I tried to save you.
Trying to lick me.
Dude, no, I wasn't.
I swear.
Guys, it is a retarded Jeep.
I don't know where Hexbog went wrong with making these things.
Hexbog. Dude, give me that. That's my armor. That's my armor.
No, it isn't. This is my armor, peasant.
No, it's my armor.
Then where's my armor at?
Oh, right there. Thank you, because I'm the leader now. My leader.
Okay.
Great, Hexbug. You'll now be known as a boss. Well,
I swear, this is... I'm not joking.
Mega
about this.
boss.
This is Kerbet supposed praying and a... God dang it.
Dun, dun, dun. I'm pausing.
This is probably going to be the last of this video because, oh my god, this is just a disaster. I'm not joking.
Yeah.
Look at the instructions.
Hopefully we'll see you in part 2, guys.
I'll be making a separate video of how to build this.
No. Never. You'll never do
But I
it.
mean, like, I don't understand
You're
how
not
you
doing
build
it,
this.
no.
Anyways.
I'm not being a good doggy. If you are.
That is all for today.
No, you're not. No, it is not. How about we do part 2? How about we start on... Guys, this isn't the end. That's just a fake gun. That's just a Nerf gun, guys. This is Bobby quit
I
it.
have a couple concerns about... that is the end of today's video.
No, it is not.
guys.
No, it is not. No, it is totally not.
Shut up.
It is not until...
You're not being in it. You're not being in any more of my videos.
Dude, this is not the end of the video
Okay.
until we just start off with the tracks.
That is all for today, guys.
No, it is not. Don't believe him. He's
Make
lying.
sure you subscribe.
This
and
lady
like
is
the
lying.
video. Subscribing would be a big help to my
Please
channel.
don't subscribe. I'm begging you. Just subscribe to me. My channel is Boss. I mean, not Fan of FNF Game Like a Boss, and that is it. So don't subscribe to him. And if you do, I will give you $1,000.
Okay, but yeah, subscribe for my. The more subscribers I get, the more daily content you guys are get. Subscribe. That's what I need to say. Like and subscribe, and like average, keep your heads in the clouds.
Don't.